dual boot Ubuntu and Microsoft Windows 10. However, as soon as you first boot into Microsoft Windows with the Windows Boot Manager, then it quits bringing up this GRUB bootloader and automatically defaults to Windows every time. So I was going to show you how to bring up the GRUB menu even if you can't see it when you boot up. I'll do a restart here and show you. First thing you want to do is hit escape as soon as you start or restart. You should get this little menu here. Go down to Run UEFI application. Enter. 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 Go to Ubuntu. Enter. Select GRUB by 64 if you have 64-bit installed. Otherwise, it'd probably read 32. Enter. And now you have your GRUB menu again, where you can select Ubuntu to boot into. It's kind of a pain, but it's the only solution I found that doesn't cause other problems. And once you get the keystrokes down, it goes pretty fast anyhow. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope that'll help some of you out. Take care. Subscribe to my channel. Like. Have a blessed day.